Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, throughout the United States and around the world. Tonight, we bring up the topic of Vietnam War, or a secret war in Laos that was ended 51 years ago. Just close your eyes and imagine what war would do to human being. War were both terrible and horrible because it takes away life from their loved one and also destroy all natural resources. Not only that, but the Hmong men, women, and young kids as old as 13 years old were drafted to fight alongside of the CIA from the United States. One thing some young Hmong SGU men did during the secret war was that they perfected of how to fly a T-28 fighter before they learned how to drive a vehicle. It was sad that many of them never thought they would have to refuged or would be persecuted from their own country to resettlement in a country they never knew it was existed. In the early 1960s, President of the United States of America, John F. Kennedy, signed a document and sent it with the CIA to go to Laos to find the Hmong people at the northern part of Laos to fight the North Communist. The CIA provided weapons, foods, financial, medical supplies, guns, ammunition, and other warfare combat to the Hmong people. However, majority of Hmong people had no clue but willing to join the United States CIA as a secret war and was named as Special Guerrilla Unit, or SGU. From 1961 to May 1975, there were about 50,000 Hmong people were killed, including soldiers, women, kids, and elderly. The Hmong population during that time was about 100,000. Hmong population wiped out almost 50%. However, there were only document that Hmong SGU soldiers that were killed was only accountable for 35,000 people. After the United States pulled out from South Vietnam, the Hmong people were exiled and became refugees from Laos to Thailand, and later refuged to the rest of the Western countries such as Australia, Canada, France, and the United States. Majority of the Hmong people resettlement in Minneapolis and St. Paul, Minnesota, area of the United States of America. For 50 years, the Hmong Lao SGU veterans never be acknowledged that they were fighting for this country. For almost 10 years, they were lobbied years after years and requested the government to grant veterans benefits to the Hmong Lao SGU veterans. In 2025, the state finally granted the Hmong Lao veterans benefit according to the Bill HF 1845. And it was just a week ago the governor of Minnesota finally signed the HF 1845 bill into law. And all Hmong Lao SGU veterans are officially can fully receive the veterans benefit, just like all other veterans who served in this country. There are some Hmong young lawmakers who worked so hard in the Senate and House of Representatives to make that happen, and the bill finally become a law in the state of Minnesota. Thank you for those young Hmong lawmakers combined with 20 other lawmakers who helped make that happen. Thank you for watching.